Automation continues to evolve at accelerating rates, and that increases the pressure to add technology to your machine shop. Your finance people often evaluate additional technology based on cost. There's a cost of adding technology, but what about the cost of not adding technology? There's no line item in your P&L that specifically identifies lost sales opportunities. Your top line may be impacted, but it can be hard to calculate by how much. You can see your cost of labor, but there's no line item in your P&L that directly calls out the impact of late deliveries because your machine operator quit. There's nothing on the cost of turnover. While there's no line item for these costs, they still impact your business. Without robot technology, your machine shop's bottom line can get as thin as the chips you're making. The robot can't help you make bigger chips, but it can help you make more of them in a given time frame. To learn more about how a machine tending robot can help you cut your cost of doing business, call us at 866-952-9020 and press 1 to talk with a human. RoboJob-USA, first in CNC automation.